Hello po mga biyakitero. Ngayon po ay kami ay pupunta ng Suphanburi para mag-visit sa dentist ni Olivia.
Nope.
Yes. Kuya, bebe, can you show them your teeth? Ay,
Eating chocolate.
she's eating chocolate.
Say goodbye.
Yeah. Kasi po yung ngipin po niya nagtubo na yung nasa taas. So nasa ilalim na po yung bagong tumutubong ngipin niya ay nagaganon yung kanyang ngipin. So na po kami.
Nagiging crocodile
Naging
teeth
crocodile teeth na. Yun. So ito naman pong kapatid kong itong isa,
Ay, move! Kaya move!
sasama daw siya kasi siya magsha-shopping, excited sa kanyang bagong bahay. Awan ko lang naman kung bakit naman ito sobrang excited.
That's right.
Tapos parang sabi niya dahil ano na yung kanyang bahay, magpapakain niya tapos sa company. Ang laki po kasi ng kanyang tutorial.
Naku, asan na? Asan na? Dumating na?
Nasaan na sa iyo? Ay ka naman.
Uy, ano yun? Wait lang. Wait lang ha?
So,
Diyan ka na yung mga
yan po si
blanket.
Teacher Claire. Magpapakain daw po yan mamaya sa ano.
Uy, saglit lang mo. Kuya Day, yung aking cellphone na isa.
Ang tagal mo naman eh. Ayan. Oh, bebe. You show, bebe. Show your teeth, bebe.
Wait lang ha, kukunin ko lang yung isang cellphone.
She's gay. I'm gay.
Ay nang.
Ganyan
Yan
mo siya?
po. Yun po. Sige po. Ipakita po natin mamaya yung kanyang pagpunta sa dentist. Last time nung nag-dentist siya, umiyak-iyak siya. How about today?
She'll do the same.
She'll do the same?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So let us see.
Wait. Let me borrow.
Ngayon po, narito naman po muna kami, kakain muna kami ng lunch kasi it's
I'm starving.
12:20 already. Narito po ulit kami sa Krachom, yung gasoline station na may masarap na restaurant.
Why do you always have to come here, Dad?
Of course, because we have to eat. We have to have lunch.
There's a lot of restaurants in Thailand. Why did we choose here?
Why do you want to eat in Bangkok? But we're just going to Suphanburi. This is my son, Franco. Say hello to the vlog, kuya.
Hi.
My kuya Franco. In the future, he's going to have his own vlog.
I don't want to vlog.
Okay, what do you want to do?
I just want to become a YouTuber, that's all.
Okay. Yun lang po, kain muna po kami. Mama kumakain na po uli, ayan. Hey mama. Teacher Claire is eating mango.
Hi, I'm still
Smile ka
starving.
naman dyan, Teacher Claire. Ang laki ng na, ano mo eh.
Nanny Claire, can I live with you?
Ha?
Can I live with you?
Naku! Hinihiram nga lang kita. Ayaw ko lang.
I thought you wanted. I thought you wanted kids.
At
He's
tatay
just
mo nga ayaw ko
joking.
ipairam.
I don't think so.
Hinihiram kita sa April 1. Tayo mag-aakot ng gamit.
Huh? Again?
You'll be staying in April 1 with me.
But Mom said I need to go to the hospital with her.
Sabi nyo?
We are here at the dentist. Okay, Via is very excited. Olivia, stop. Stop.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Here she is. She's very excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
I am scared. I'm not excited.
It is actually Via's dentist since she was 3 years old, 2 years old. Yeah. So she told me before that she loves her dentist very much.
Wrong answer.
So she's very excited now. See? Say hello to your dentist, Via. Yeah. Huh? Face lang eh. It's okay. Dada. Sorry, Kap.
I want to see you getting tortured.
Olivia, doctor has a magic toothpaste. Go. Sawadi ka kon.
Magic drugs.
Okay. Yes. Doc has magic toothpaste. Come on.
I want to see
Come on.
her getting tortured.
You don't.
Yeah, let the torture begin. Let the torture begin.
No. It's okay, baby. It's Kuya's Franco's turn. Okay. Dental checkup.
Are you ready?
Say yes, Doc.
Yes.
Okay. Is Kuya going to cry?
Of course not, Dad.
Okay. Alright. Excited? Okay. I think she's going to clean your teeth, Kuya. Give you some fluoride to make your teeth stronger. Fluoride is like yeah, fluoride. Okay, see you later. Hey, Kuya. Kuya, can I see your teeth? Ako, smile. Yes. Si Kuya nagpalinis tapos naglagay ng fluoride. Si Olivia naman, look at Via. Can I see you, baby? Did you cry, baby ko? Did you cry? Yes. Yan, si Via, nagkaroon siya ng problema kasi nga yung kanyang ngipin ay napaloob na. So, next time we're going to have an appliance for her tooth to parang move out na sa ano. Oo. Yes. Not brace, but not brace. Tap. Tapos na po kami. Okay, oh. Your teeth are cleaner, Kuya. Okay, ito po yung dentist ni Franco. Simula nung bata pa siya. Specialist po siya for kids. Yan po. So, sa mga kababayan ko po dito sa Thailand, especially dito sa Suphanburi, I recommend po itong kanilang clinic, Ban Mo Root, right? Okay, Ban Mo Root. Yung pong asawa niya, si Dr. Malika ay specialist for parang dental ng children. So, meron siyang mga technique kung paano i-handle yung cases ng mga bata. Ayan. So, ito po yung kanilang narito po siya sa parang hindi siya accessible sa sa highway. So siguro you can come here by tuk-tuk dito sa Supanbury or Songtao kasi hindi dumadaan dito or private car. Yun lang po. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. So yun po yung experience namin sa pagpapa-dentist ng aking anak. Yun po. So sa susunod naman po, magpapagawa na si Olivia ng appliance kasi yung ngipin niya pumangit na yung tubo dahil parang yung kanyang unang ngipin is pumasok na ang pagtubo, so underbite na siya. Yan, so hindi siya magiging maganda, magkakaroon siya ng problema sa sa jaw in the future. Kaya dapat ay mapaayos na natin as early as now. Yan. So after 2 weeks, susukatan na siya ng appliance para ma-push forward yung kanyang tooth. O para hindi siya maging underbite. Yan. So lumaki ang gastos natin, pero ang mahalaga ay di makorek.
At palagi mo toothbrush.
Okay. At mama, kailangang i-supervise si Olivia sa pagtututbrush kasi ang dami na daw niyang bulok. Almost lahat ay bulok ang ngipin ni Olivia sa bagang. Ay matagal-tagal pa niyang gagamitin yung bagang. Kaya dapat ma-supervise yan. Si Kuya, very good daw ang ngipin, walang sira. Yan. So, that's all for today po mga mga biyakitero. Salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa amin, sa aming dentist.
Olivia, isa. Olivia, change mo. Ay, sorry.
Yun po. Yan po ang asawa ko. Normal lang po yan. Normal lang po yan sa amin yan.
Change.
Ano po. So, salamat po, biyakitero. See you later. Bye. Hello po, narito na po uli kami sa dentist. Via is very excited. She's very happy that she's going.
I am not excited. I'm scared. That's filming. Shut up.
Yeah.
I don't have face.
So Via is very excited po.
No! Come back here.
Ay, isa.
I